现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on Icrt. My name is Joseph Lin, and today we once again have Gina's Can and her great soul and jazz music for you. This track is called Leongsa, which actually means two companions in Hakka. And the song is a romantic one. It's about two people developing a relationship together. In the beginning, it might be very passionate, but in order to mature their love, it's really all about their lifestyle together. Eating together, walking together, living together for so many years until they know each other so well and they become family for each other. So let's listen to this track, Leongsa.哇，好浪漫的一首歌哦，叫做《Leongsa》，也就是两才，在叙述一段感情，从一开始的热恋期，然后到后来比较细水长流。所以呢，当中呢很多很浪漫的事情，就是一起吃饭、一起散步、一起生活，而多年下来的相处，让两个人成为世界上最了解彼此的人。所以到最后呢，他不只是恋人，而且还是一辈子的家人一样啊！哇，这听完了是不是很想谈一场恋爱啊？ Again, it's Gina 罐子 Gina's Can with two companions or Leongsa. I'm Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.